Okay, good morning. This is a spiral review. You make sure that you put your last name, then your first name, and which class period that you have math. We are going to write 10% as a fraction, and we know that when we are doing fractions of percentages, the bottom number is always the whole, which is 100%. So this one would be 10 over 100. Now, some cases they want you to reduce. So if I were to reduce, that would be 1 over 10. I'm going to check and see which they want. Okay, the answers in this case, they do not want you to reduce because they want you to recognize that it's over 100. Writing 10% as a decimal is the same as 1/10 or 1/100th because the way that I've taught it is that if you have a percent, you need to make sure that you can bounce that decimal point and get rid of the percentages. So 10/100ths or 1/10 is the same as 10%. So we will type that in, 0.10. Then we have to simplify. In order to simplify, you are going to take the 10% and convert it to your fraction, or convert it to your decimal, and multiply it by the whole number. So we're going to do 0.10 times 45. You get 0, 0, placeholder 5, 4. You will get 4.50. So the answer to that question is 4.50. And then the other way that you could do that, if you did not choose to use the, in my opinion, simpler way, you could set it up as a proportion with your percentages on this side and your numbers on this side, and then you cross multiply. So 100 times x equals 45 times 10. 100x equals 450. X, or divide both sides by 100. X equals 4.5. So you'll notice that both ways works, but my opinion, the simpler one is to convert to a decimal and then multiply by the whole number.